Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to edit your Excel file without any software, just using Chrome browser. So guys, you can edit your Excel, MS Word or PowerPoint file online. Just open any browser and type here Excel. If you not see here, so type Excel online. So you will see office.live.com, Microsoft Excel. Open it. It will require your Microsoft account. So enter your email, phone or Skype. And if you not have, so create a free one. Now here guys, you will see all program like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook. So click on Excel, then click on New. And if you have already, so just open it. Click on File, then click on Open. Here you will see your files, and to make your files available here, you have to download your firstly file on. Now guys, to make your file available here, firstly you have to download and upload your file on your this email's OneDrive account. And once you download successfully on OneDrive, so you can access your file here and in the world anywhere. So just open that file and you can edit here. So this is the way guys, without any software you can edit your Excel file online. Thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Only just guys, you have to follow 3 steps. Firstly, upload your file on OneDrive, then open any web browser and search officelive.com. Then you will see all Office programs. So select Excel and open your file here. You can edit here, then just save it. So thanks for watching, and please share, like and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.